Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video for you. This is where we talk about hair, business, skincare, and everything in between. They smell amazing. The rosemary is kicking. The lavender is just forget about it. Okay, last time I made the flaxseed gel, which was wonderful. As you can see here, I have added all of my flax seeds and the marshmallow root. So I'm adding rosemary and I already added some lavender. It has settled very well, but it still has that smooth consistency that I'm looking for. And now this is the consistency. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm ready to put that in my jar. See how quick that was? Wow, yes, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Not too thick, just perfect. You can also put it in any other bottle and just squeeze it out. It'll work. Okay, last time I made the flaxseed gel, which was wonderful. And as you can see, it came out very beautifully. So this is how I preserve the gel. Flaxseed gel can expire very quickly. As you know, it's very natural and you will need to put a preservative. However, even if you put a preservative, it has a certain lifespan where it can expire pretty quickly. You still may have to refrigerate it. However, there's a way to do it. So I find that this is the best way to preserve flaxseed hair gel, especially if you're going to be doing your hair all summer long and you don't want to have to do it every time. Okay, this is what it looks like. So this is my frozen gel. So I had it in here. I removed it and I placed it in a Ziploc bag. So I have 4 cubes, as you can see, and I'm going to take it out of Ziploc so you can see. You can see very quickly that it has been preserved pretty well. So let's remove at least one so I can show you. This is what it looks like. All right, because the mold does have a beautiful design. So it actually pick up the design of the mold. All right, as you can see here, and this is what it looks like all around. It's just like a soap bar, but it's flaxseed gel. So you can melt this every time that you're doing your hair. You can have a couple of cubes in the freezer, and every time you're gonna do it, you use the double boiler method where you put this in a bowl and you put it on top of some hot water in a pan and it melts and it's ready to use. So all summer long, you don't have to create brand new hair gels. This is the best way to preserve it without synthetic preservatives. Let me just take another bar out just to show you how beautiful they look. Can you believe it? They're not soap, they're flaxseed gel. Yep, the best way to preserve it. And I just love it myself. Okay, I love it. I love the way they look and they smell amazing. The rosemary is kicking. The lavender is just forget about it. You will love this method of preserving your hair gel for the summer, and it's great for wash and goes. Yes, my hands are freezing, but it's okay because I want to show you that. I didn't want to put it in a separate container, but it's perfect. Okay, so for your wash and goes, for your twist outs, for your updos, the slip is just amazing. You just have to try this recipe. You are missing out if you haven't tried it yet. All right, thank you for watching. Try it, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel so everyone, every natural can have access to it. Thank you very much for watching. Just keep loving your curls.